to take the problems or the methods based where we are having data of x as unequal interval. Sorry, last time we have done for equal intervals, now we'll do unequal interval. So any doubt in equal intervals, two methods were there: Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula and Newton's Gregory backward interpolation formula. Any doubt in that? Okay, no doubt. Then I move to the next method. Okay, let me share my screen first. Uh, just acknowledge me once. Can you see my screen? I have opened the notes. Interpolating with unequal intervals. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I continue. Okay, so last time we start. Last time we have done with equal intervals. This time we'll take if like data we are having x naught, x1, x2, x3 like this we have data, but the difference between x naught and x1 is unequal to the difference between x1 and x2 like this. Okay. So we will make a set. Suppose the data of x, I can write it in the square bracket x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on till xn. Same the data of y, I can write it in a different square bracket by y naught, y1, y2 and so on yn. Okay, that corresponding. Then just see this formula, this xi comma x3. Xi means randomly any two consecutive values if we take xi xj if I want to find out, and this method is called Newton's divided difference interpolating formula. Newton's divided means we'll take division. Here we will take a help of division. Divided difference interpolating formula. Interpolation means to find the value in the range between only x naught to xn. Okay. So here xi, xj, suppose like x2 and x3, anything, two consecutive values. That time xi, xj is equal to yj minus yi divided by xj minus xi. Corresponding value of y, difference between them divided by two corresponding values of xj. So this is very important. You need to remember this. This is for two values of x. If suppose you are having three values, x1, x2, x3 like this. So xi, xj, xk is equal to, carefully we'll take second minus first. So second set, if you make, this is a set, if I make subset, so what the subset will we make? Xi, xj and xj, xk, right? So second minus first, so means xj, xk minus xi, xj. Xi, xj, xk. So xj, xk first you will write minus xi, xj divided by last minus first. So xk minus xi. You just remember this. Very important. Here y is not there. See, only x's are there. Same if we do, and xk is what? To find out by this formula. Okay. Same for four values. This is called, this is why taking second, third difference, fourth difference. So here x, suppose four values are there. So again, we will, four values are there. In so short, I tell you, if suppose you are having n data, then we'll make subset of n minus one data. So two subsets can be made. So here we are having four data. I can make two subsets of three data. First three and last three. Okay. So we'll take in the formula last three xj, xk, xp minus first three xi, xj, xk divided by last minus first. You just remember like this. Suppose n data is there. If suppose five data I am taking, then I can make two subsets of four data. First four and the last four. Okay. So last four minus first four divided by last data minus first data. That's it. If you understood this concept, this is very easy to generate this formula. Okay. The equation this is called first difference formula because only two are there. This is called second divided difference formula. Divided word is there because we are using division. Okay. And third divided difference formula is this because 3 you are making like this. Okay. That time these were the to find the values of x1 comma x2. This is not the formula for y because ultimately we need to find the value of y at some value of x. So that time Newton's divide and difference formula says y is equals to, you need to learn this like you have already learned in Lorentz series and everything, that kind of y naught is the initial value of y plus x minus x naught, and here is the square bracket x naught x1 means first divided difference plus x minus x1. First term you will take, we will start with the x naught only. So x naught x1. Second will x minus x naught into x minus x1. We will take next term also. We will subtract that. Here so we'll start x naught comma x1 comma x2 like this plus x minus x naught x minus x1. Now x minus x2 will also come. Will include x naught x1 x2 x3 and so on like this. So this formula, you need to learn this formula. This is known as Newton's general interpolation formula, or otherwise Newton's divided difference formula. Okay. If you learn this formula, after that nothing is there. I told you this, even this complete module numerical method is formula based. If you remember the formula, nothing is there. It's very easy. So let's start a problem. Problem comes, given that x0 equal to 8, instead of given in the form of table, sometimes they give like this. So what you will do, you will make a table of x and y. X is like x is 0, y is 8. X is 1, y is 68. X is 5, y is 123. So if you make a table, directly you can see we have 0, 1 and 5. So unequal interval, right? Difference between 0 and 1 is 1, but difference between 1 and 5 is 4. Unequal interval. If suppose you were having F2, F3, F4, F5, that was the equal interval. But here, F2, F3, F4 are not there. So this is unequal intervals. Okay. So this is the basic difference to identify what is the equal interval problem and what is the unequal interval problem. So here you will make a table of X and Y. Okay. Construct a divided difference table using the table determine the value of F2. So your work is to find the F2. How to find out that? Again your work is there. If you remember, for equal intervals we were finding the differences, simple differences. Okay, first difference, second difference by subtracting y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1. But here we need to find out y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0, divided difference formula. So you will make a table first of all. If you see x0 corresponding y0, x1 corresponding y1, x2 corresponding y2. So first difference formula will come directly. If you can remember, 68 minus 8 divided by 1 minus 0 will come 60, like this. For second difference formula, 123 minus 68 divided by 5 minus 1, this. Okay. So here also they have done like this. Otherwise you understood my table, you can make it. And after that, 13.75 minus 60 divided by 5 minus 0 is this. Or by the formula they have shown here. X naught x1 is y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. Same only what I was telling you here in the table, they have done by the formula here. X1 x2 divided difference formula, can we find out y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. For the 3 x0 x1 x2, because for the second divided difference formula we will represent by x0 x1 x2 is x1 x2 minus x0 x1 divided by x2 minus x0. So they have done 13.75 minus 60 divided by 5 minus 0 is minus 9.25. Okay, so it's completely your wish. If you understand directly here, you can find out, or otherwise you can show it by the formula. After that, nothing. Newton's interpolation formula, you need to remember the formula was there. Here values of x are till x2 only. So this square bracket will come up to x2. So like this, we will extend the formula y0 plus x minus x0, x0 x1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x0 x1, x2. Now you will ask me why not we are taking x minus x2. Because if we take in the third term x minus x2, we need to take divided difference formula of x0, x1, x2, x3. But we don't have x0, x1, x2, x3. So here the formula will terminate. Now all the values are here with you. Y0 is the initial value means 8. X, where the value is to be find out. X they are asking for 2. So x is here 2. In the last they are putting, I think, for x equal to 2. But here also you can put x is equal to 2. X0 is 0. X0 x1 difference is 60. Like this, they have put each value and we got the value of f2. That's it. Very easy. Formula based completely. Just the difficult thing is to remember this formula. Okay. Y0 plus x minus x0, x0 x1 plus like this. You need to remember this formula. So any doubt in this method? After that, same only. The next is here x naught, x1, x2, x3. So one more term will be added in the formula. Third divided difference formula here. Otherwise, same only. So there are three problems. You can do practice on them. The next is having more terms, fourth divided difference. Okay. So any doubt in this, you can ask. Any doubt, students? Any doubt?
Ma'am, when
Hmm.
x3 term is given,
Hmm.
how will it
X3
be
is
the last formula, ma'am? Will it be
uh,
x3 minus x naught or?
you will write x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2. That's it. And square bracket x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3.
Okay,
Getting?
ma'am.
Getting?
But for the third divided difference,
That is third
how will
divided
it be?
difference. Like I show you the form question here. This is third divided difference. Okay. Till x3 you are
Okay.
having. Okay. So formula
Yes,
will
ma'am.
terminate here. Up to subtraction you will take up to only x2. Means n minus 1. You suppose n are
Okay.
3. Here n is 3. So subtraction
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
take up to 2. But in square
Okay.
bracket divided difference is up to 3.
Okay,
X
ma'am.
naught, x1, x2, x3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Who else is having doubt? You can ask students. I really admire if you will ask. So clear? This is just remember this. You need not to take till last x minus x3. No, you will have to take x minus x2 because divided difference that will be third only. Third divided difference. We got three value. But because in divided difference value, I am not using zero term. Getting what I'm trying to say? So here you will take x minus x2 up to. But in divided difference will come up to x3. Okay, so this was the for unequal interval. Any doubt till here? Then I move to the next formula. This is very important. Lagrange's formula for interpolation. This is same like you will be having unequal intervals. So for each x naught, there is some y naught. For x1, y1, x2, y2 like this, but not necessary that interval is equal. Interval can be different. Means like for x equal to 1, you are having some value of y. Then after that, x equal to 5, you are having some value of y. Then x equal to 10, for x equal to 10, you are having some value of y like this. So you are having a set of values. Okay. Make a table x and y. That time formula is, this is looks like complicated but very easy to understand, and there is a trick if you learn it. So then to find the value of y at some particular x, like now right now I gave you an example, x equal to 1, 5 and 10 you are having value, and they are asking at x equal to 8, then find the value. Okay, at that moment the formula you will write x minus x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. If you see here in the first term, there is the addition of some terms. In the formula, there is the addition of some terms. In the first term, in numerator, I have missed x naught, x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 and so on till last into y naught divided y. Divided y, now the term I had left here x naught will subtract all elements x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, x, x naught minus x naught minus xn plus. Now we come to the after addition second term. In second term, now x naught I have taken will come to the x1. In this multiplication, if you see x1 is not there, x minus x naught and x minus x2, x minus x3 and till last x minus xn. Whatever the term is missing, will take corresponding y value. Here y naught, so here y1 divided by. Now x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, and so on, x1 minus xn. Plus, next term is x2. So x minus x naught, x minus x1, x2 is not there, so x minus x3. Minus dot 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 x minus last term. Now x2 was missing, so we'll put y2 divided by. Now from the x2, you will subtract each term like this. This is very easy. Looking complicated and big, but it's actually, if you understand the concept, you can generate this formula by yourself. Okay, this just formula base again. All the values we will be having here, our work is to put into the formula. That's it. Like here, use Lagrange's interpolation formula, but very important, Lagrange's interpolation formula. Definitely question will come from the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula to find y at x equal to 10. Some values of x are given 5, 6, 9, 11. If you see, there is an unequal interval. 5 and 6 difference is 1, but 6 to 9 difference is 3. 9 to 11 difference is 2. Don't see the difference in y. We always see the difference in x. Okay. So y values are there. They are asking at x equal to 10, what will be the value of y? Okay. So you will directly put into the formula. Here x naught, x1, x2, x3 are there. So we will be having four terms, x minus x1, x minus x2. First avoid x naught term, subtract from x naught, put it y naught plus. Now avoid x1 term, put y1, and in denominator from x1 subtract each term plus. Here x2 we will avoid, so it will come plus. It will terminate here only. No need to take the this nth term. You need not to show it. After putting each value, this is very easy. You need not to find the difference table like earlier we have done difference tables, divided difference table. But here we need not to find any divided difference table. Directly in the formula of given formula, we know x is 10. X means the value where they are asking to find out. X is 10. X naught, x1, x2, x3 are already there. Corresponding y naught, y1, y2, y3 are there. Put into the formula, you will get. Simple here. So same like this here. X naught, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3. Here it is. That's it. Again, four problems are there based on it. You can do it yourself. Okay. And if any doubt is there, I am always there. You can ask me by any mode. You can leave me a mail. You can ask me on WhatsApp. So any doubt in this method, you can ask without hesitation. Please ask. Any doubt, students? No doubt? Okay. Then I move forward. Newton-Raphson method. Uh, First tell me, is it fine if I start it now only or you want it in another class? Because this is already formula base only. I will complete this module by the next week, maximum next week, maximum. 31st will be the last date to complete the syllabus. We do one thing. Next lecture only I will take, and in that numerical integration I will complete. Yeah, next week only. Okay, if you are fine, I can start with the Newton-Raphson method. Are you okay? Can I start today? Newton-Raphson method? Swant always says next class, ma'am. I actually knew, but just for self-satisfaction, I asked. If suppose you are having another mood, then I can start. This is also easy. If you see na this module, actually, problem is that okay, your attitude is not of self-study. If you do yourself, na, this module actually doesn't require my delivery. Means like I need not to deliver the lecture. You directly, if you read yourself, you will understood very nicely. It's very easy, man. Easy. All formulas are very easy. Anyways, in next class, I will take Newton-Raphson method. Till then, three or four problems are there of each method. Do it yourself. And one more thing I am going to announce. Your third internal test are scheduled on 27th, 28th, and 29th of May. Okay, timetable shortly we will share with you. It's again on Accelerator platform, but this time little pattern of the question paper is changed. That also now I am not telling. Later on I will tell you what will be the pattern. We are going to change the pattern of the question paper. Okay. So remember the date 27, 28, 29. Till that, each faculty has to complete their syllabus. We will do definitely. Today is 14th May. By the next week will be 21st of May. I will complete. Okay. So after that, one lecture I will keep for the revision. Revision means I will not do again. You ask your problems, you gather all your problems and ask me there. I will try to solve them. All modules together in when we will take. Okay. And if any doubt, you can ask me, please. And one more thing, if any link I am sharing and I am telling you to fill it by today or tomorrow, you are supposed to do. This is seriously irritating that ma'am sends me a list that these students have done. Please find out who have not done. I need to go through again the list that out of 57, why only 53 have done, to find out four students and then call their name in the group. It's really irritating, especially Mahesh and Ketan are not expected from you guys. You should not be responsible. Few students I can understand, they are never responding at any time. But at least you guys are always on the first or second number now. Why don't you keep this thing done on the time? Any link I am sharing, do it that time only. It doesn't require much time. Only 5 to 10 minutes you complete a form. I don't know why you take that much time. Why you are so much busy? What you guys are doing? Don't think like if you will score 40 marks or 39 marks, so we will give you 40 average, full on average. Don't think like that. Everything is still in my hand. And don't think I will take it 40 as 40. Seriously, I'm going to give you very less average this time. Either do it yourself with your text notebook. I can sense that this is copied or done by you. If I again find out that this is the copied one, I will give less average. I will keep everyone on 20 and 21. That's it. Last year I have given, last semester I have given 30, 31, 32 and 39, 40 v impact. But this time if I see it again, I will not give a single 1% more than 25. I will keep the range 20 to 25. That's it. So be sincere to yourself and for me also, please. Anything someone wanted to say? Yeah, tell me,
Um,
Devlina.
Ma'am, regarding the results, ma'am, rival results.
Yeah, yeah. You got the result?
No, ma'am, where do we get it?
I don't know. Jaswant was showing me in the morning. Even he made me confused what he was telling actually. He was showing me some marks and he's telling revolution mark. Yes, this one, it's your turn now. Did you get
Ma'am,
your
it's not
revolution?
revolution marks, ma'am.
I confirmed with you, na, is it
41 marks.
revolution? That's what I was thinking. How can they give so early?
Yes,
We
ma'am,
have
I
a mail
got the
of,
mail.
you got the mail of what? Jaswant?
Marks, ma'am.
Of what marks? These are of revaluation marks or internal marks?
Yes, ma'am, revaluation.
These are the revaluation marks.
Those 41 marks I have told about that.
Then Devlina, how didn't you get?
I was searching, I didn't get it.
I don't know. Ask this one. He told that he got an mail. If you check it, but I really doubt how they will complete the revaluation so fast. Within a week, they will give you the revaluation result. I really doubt. But you ask him how he got from the mail, and otherwise any link is there. Then you check it once again. I'll
Ma'am,
ask
they
it
have
again.
sent a link to my mail, ma'am.
If it is there some mail link, then share with your friends also. But
Not,
if
ma'am.
you
It's a
can find,
respective people, ma'am. In
it
that
is
link,
it.
I have my roll number and
Hmm.
my ELN copy, ma'am. I have kept for ELN and computers, ma'am. I got only
Hmm.
ELN,
Not computers.
not computers, ma'am.
But okay, you improved now. You got pass. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Devlina, for which subject you have put?
Ma'am, four subjects.
Four subjects. Which subjects?
Ma'am, maths, chemistry, I think ELN and MEC.
Okay, okay. Might be shortly you will get. I don't know because I didn't get any response from any of the students. Only morning Jaswant showed me that he got revaluation marks. So I will confirm and I will see in the website also. And portion will be Kaushik. Third module we have done the four and fifth portion.
Ma'am,
Power series solution and numerical methods we are going to keep full.
ma'am.
Yeah, Jaswant, tell me.
Morning, I have asked about that accelerator marks, ma'am. Civil madam showed me that 38 marks, ma'am. When
Yeah,
I
in each
got,
subject you have got 38, 39 everyone because you have copied so nicely now. I don't know
okay,
why,
ma'am,
but
whatever it
how
is.
you got to know that it is 28 because it is showing someone 71, 72.
Yes, ma'am. In academia, I mean, app,
Uh-huh. In
in that
academia
I'm
app,
getting
it is showing
78,
in the form of
72.
70. So how it is showing as 78, 72? Devlina, did you get the marks on ERP, academia app?
I didn't check, ma'am, I'll do.
Wow, very nice. Why didn't you check by the way? You are not bothered even. All of you, update your app because since long time you have not checked your academia app. Check it once. And Deblina, after checking, send me the screenshot. Actually, I don't know from the student side how you are getting your marks. because he showed me, just one showed me 71 and 72 something. But we have said in the terms of out of 40, 38, 39. Even if we do it double, means out of 40 also, if we convert it into 100, it should come in 90s, not in 70s. I don't know how come it is coming.
Ma'am, maybe the average of these two internals, ma'am.
How they can put in average of two internals? Yeah, it's possible, right? Because we have published the earlier one also, internal one. So you check it. Might be they have added both internals. This software is doing itself. We have fed just your second internal marks. That's it. And in that, in every subject, all of you have got more than 30, obviously. 38, 39, 38, 39 in each subject. So I think software is doing something. Might be it is adding together, or otherwise it is taking average. If it is out of 80, then fine, just one. Out of 80, might be you got 72 and 73. It's not
Excuse
28.
me,
Yeah, yeah, Devlina, tell me.
मैम एवरेज में 93.75 दिखा रहा है
किस सब्जेक्ट में?
मैथ्स का
तुम्हारा फर्स्ट इंटरनल में कितने आए थे, याद है?
35
35. और इस बार मेरे अराउंड आई थिंक 39 इट इज.
मैम 40
40. हाउ डू यू नो 40 इट इज?
मैम इसमें लिखा हुआ है.
अच्छा, ऐसा लिखा भी आया है पूरे मार्क्स?
हाँ
ओके. 40 and 35, 75. हाँ,
मैम
one second.
93.7.
One second, one second,
I'll
one
send
second.
you.
1 second, Devlina. 75. Okay, Jaswant. It's showing, it's taking percentage of both. Like for Devlina, she got in first internal 35 marks, second internal 40 marks. So totally 75 out of 80, right? So they have taken percentage 75 into 100 divided by 80. So that is 93.75. Now you tell me, Jaswant, in first internal, how much you got?
19, ma'am.
19. Which subject you are telling me? Jaswant, which subject you are telling me?
Ma'am, take about only maths, ma'am.
Maths. Okay, 19 plus. This time?
This time 39 or
39. You don't know means 58
yeah,
divided by
ma'am.
8. And how much it is showing?
1 minute, ma'am.
1 second. 19 plus 39 is 58 divided
73, ma'am.
by. So that's it, na? Same for everything, civil, etc. You are telling, na? So might be in the first internal you got less. Okay. With the second internal, it is adding up and then divided by 80. Everyone understand, try to understand. It is showing the percentage of total of first internal and second internal. You add first internal plus second internal divided by 80. You will get your average. That they have done. Okay, don't get confused that I got 20, 38, but it is showing 28. It's not showing 28. In the first internal, you got less. That because of that, you are getting less marks in 72 and 73 terms. Now getting this one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, okay. No faculty has given you wrong marks. Congratulations, this time everybody got 38, 39. What else I should say if Nandan is getting 40 marks? Even this Gautam is getting 40 marks. Means there is no word to explain. Gautam is getting 40 marks, imagine. So,
Let's have a function, ma'am.
you should throw a party. By cheating you have done, huh? Okay, now I am taking attendance, everyone. When I call the name, please unmute yourself and tell me the present, okay? Otherwise, I will put
Ma'am?
absent. Yeah, who is that now?
Ma'am, I got ELN as 40, ma'am. Ma'am shared in Accelerator platform. But here in academia they put 39.
39 and 40. That's fine. 39 is enough. Who is this Chetan? Academy is showing 39. How do you know it's showing 39?
First internal I got 38, ma'am. This
38.
time, yes, ma'am. This time they put 39. It's showing, ma'am.
It's showing clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Which ma'am you are telling? ELE.
Yes, ma'am.
Chetan, you have her number?
Yes, ma'am.
Directly put a message. Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
I got 40 marks. Then how come on ERP it's 39? Because she only can resolve this issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you ask her. If suppose there is some discrepancy in the marks, what you already have seen and what the in ERP you are getting, you just ask the concerned faculties. Because in ERP, they are feeding. If they have done some mistake, they should be knowing about it. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
Chetan, you talk to her. Okay. Now I'm taking
Okay, ma'am.
attendance. Chetan CS.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Vidya
ma'am.
Bharti. Bharti. Vidya Bhatt. Vidya Bhatt. I will put absent. I'm telling you again if you don't tell. Sprojina.
Present, ma'am.
Ishwartan. Gayatri. Mallikarjuna.
Present, ma'am.
Jaswant.
Present, ma'am.
Chetan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika.
Present, ma'am.
Nikita. Nikita. Ritesh. Ritesh. Absent. Harshit. Hassan Mohammed. Itani.
Present, ma'am.
Kaushik.
Present, ma'am.
Kushal. Mahesh. Mahesh, what has happened to this Mahesh? Why he is
Present,
being
ma'am.
so irresponsible? Why are you not telling? 3 times, why should I call your name? Manjunath. Manjunath. Sleeping. Chandan. Chandan. Chetan, you. Chetan V. EC.
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay.
Present, ma'am.
Darshan DS.
Present, ma'am.
Deblina.
Present, ma'am.
Diksha.
Present, ma'am.
Kshit.
Present, ma'am.
Deepika.
Present.
Dhanush Rao. Dhanush Bhardwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Arvi.
Present, ma'am.
Vidya Sai is absent. Divakar. Divakar. I don't put the message. Manjunath now is telling. Manjunath, I am not calling a name. I am calling Divakar. Gopichan. Gopichan. Fakhruddin. Satvik.
Present, ma'am.
Hari Krishna. Alvin.
Present, ma'am.
Alvin said present or what? Alvin.
Present, ma'am.
Arvind.
Present, ma'am.
Vinash. Avinash. Aviral. Chetan IS. Chetan IS. But I don't know why the students are not telling. Darshan V. Darshan V. Darshan later he will leave a message. Ma'am, my mic was not working. Deepika S.
Present, ma'am.
Dhanusha.
Present, ma'am.
Venkat. Gaurav DA.
Present, ma'am.
Gaurav N. Archita N.
Present, ma'am.
Archita S.
Present, ma'am.
Dev. Devrat.
Present, ma'am.
Prasad. Prasad. Gautam. Harsha.
Present, ma'am.
Aman. Aman. Kunal. Neeraj. Suman. Vishwas is not there. No? Okay, fine. I have him. So, anything you want to discuss with me here, students? Okay, it's fine then. Next class we will meet. I will tell you in the next week only. I will schedule. Okay. Till then, take care, all of you. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.